welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra here, and we are back for another video. Today's video, I'll be showing y'all this cute half up, half down style with clip-ins. This is a clip weave, which means like most of my hair is put up. So y'all will see in today's video how to do a clip weave. Thank you so much, CurlsQueen, for sending us over our clip-ins for today. Y'all make sure to click those links down below. They sent me over one bundle of the body wave clip-ins. One bundle of clip-ins is super full and definitely does the job for your entire head. Even with the clip weave, this one bundle did the damn thing, okay? So they send you 2 of each sizes, ranging from 4 clips all the way down to 2 clips. Definitely first impressions is that these are some really good quality clip-ins. The hair on these clip-ins are super full. The wefts are nice and full, and like I said, y'all, this is one bundle with a little bit left over. Hold on. Boom. Yes, girl, we got something left over. So this is a lot of hair to be one bundle of clip-ins and for me to have no leave out in the back. So that is amazing. If y'all are interested in seeing how I got this cute half up, half down, seeing how to do a clip weave, go ahead and stay tuned. I already know. I look a whole hot mess. So let's fix that. Like, don't even talk to me right now. Don't talk to me. Not right now. Okay, yeah, we gotta get this together. I've been looking like I've been looking like how I've been feeling. Y'all know my motto, when you look good, you feel good. So let's get cute. Let's fix this. As y'all can see, we are doing a clip-in look today. I love clip-ins because it is the easiest peasiest thing to do. My hair is a hot mess. I actually just silk pressed it. But what happened was I went to Six Flags. Like, it rained and everything I need to touch up, so everything is just God. I'm gonna just show y'all something you can do when you want something quick, easy. You don't want, you know, all your hair left out. And you know what I'm saying, you want a cute little style. Let's get into this half up, half down. I'm gonna just, of course, part it off. I see the comments. I know a lot of y'all been asking me for like my hair updates, my relaxed hair updates. Like, what am I doing? What's going on? How my hair be looking? Like, y'all see this mess. I don't know. I just have not been taking care of my hair. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. But I'm gonna get my life real soon, one of these days, you know, and start taking care of my hair. Y'all make me shit how damaged my hair is. I can't wait to just get it cut and just get my life together. I'm gonna just brush this back part down and put it in a ponytail. That's it. I ain't doing no braids. You can do braids if you want to, but you can also just put it in a ponytail. And you know, once we put the clips on, it grips really good to like just straight hair. So I like doing a ponytail when I'm doing like a what do you even call this, a clip-in weave. I'll just braid that ponytail. Okay, got that like that. And now you just need some bobby pins. Where are my bobby pins? So that's it for the back. All you do is get your clip-ins. By the way, y'all, I'm here for this. This is one bundle. One bundle. And look how full it is. Like, I live for some thick quality clip-ins, because when you have clip-ins, you obviously are looking for that volume. You looking for that, you know what I'm saying. So these right here are definitely some top tier clip-ins, because that hair is nice and full. It's nice and thick. That's what we want. That's what we want. If you never did clip-ins before, you just start off with the little smallest ones in the back. You just unclip them and you just stick them on in where they fit, and then you just clip them just like that. I mean, it's just so easy. And I like to play around with my clip-ins because I do have like a tiny head, so it don't always go like, you know, in order. But that's okay. You can cut clip-ins, do whatever you want. But I think I'm gonna leave the other little short one because I might do like some little, you know, little alien bangs. Just keep going up a size using, you know, whatever size fits your head, and that's it. as you can see, you just want to start like curving the track going like upwards, you know what I'm saying? And that's just gonna help to conceal the tracks. So you right here, and you just want to curve the track going outwards to start off. Boom, bam, like that. Covers the track. And for a thick install, put them tracks together, honey. Like, I'm putting these tracks super, super tight. So, boom, boom. That's looking good back there. That's looking good. Okay, I'm almost out of tracks though. So, I gotta go ahead and start on my ponytail. I just have the 2 longest ones left. And then I have 2 shorties. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to like finesse this real quick. Now 1 bundle do be enough, but if you want to have like a super full install, you could go ahead and get 2, especially if you're doing it like this method, because this method you don't have any of your hair left out, so you just solely relying on the clip-ins to, you know, do the job. All right, now we got to get this top together. So here's how everything looks in the back. It's not fully filled in right here, but we'll see if I can collaborate. Yeah, but I can't pull one from the back and like try to fill it in. But we'll see. Once I do the top, I'll see if it covers. And if not, you know what I'm saying, we'll get it popping like that. I'm just about to press out my edges, child, because like I said, I need a touch up. So I'm just putting on some serum. Oh, look at my muscles though. I've been in the gym. Okay, I gotta chill on the wigs, because I noticed that every time I start wearing wigs like heavy, my edges be stressed out. Like, I think it's like a few years ago I had to take a break from frontals because my edges was getting stressed. And I'm starting to see it now because my edges was long and now you could just see them like getting short and stubby. It's like that tension. My hair don't like no type of tension, like for real. So yeah, I think I gotta chill on the wigs. So honestly, y'all, I ain't never did these before, so I'm just trying to feel as I go. I've done clip weaves before, but not the whole half up, half down. So we just gonna be testing some stuff out, but I'm gonna just be putting my tracks like throughout my hair up here to make a full ponytail. If that don't work out, we're just trying to like snap these tracks around my own ponytail, but you know, I think it should work. So it looks like I'm gonna have to cut some tracks, but I just want to show y'all what you can do so you don't waste no hair, because with clip-ins you need every bit of hair, girl. So I'm gonna cut right there. We just want to cut like right where, why is it not focusing? Focus. You just want to cut right there where the clip ends, but then you see how this, you know, piece, how you gonna use that, you know what I'm saying? But super easy. All you have to do is just sew on a clip right there, and CurlsQueen sends you all the little extra clips and some thread. So if you run into something like that where you have to cut your track, you still good. You still using all of this little bit of hair. So bam. If y'all haven't seen my hot glue gun clip-in video, go ahead and watch that too, because that'll be even easier if you need to glue some clips on real quick. Bam, boom. I think it worked. Hold on. I think we did it, girls. I'll just take this hairspray. Now we're gonna try some curly, like big baby hairs, because I be seeing that look and I think it is just so cute. Y'all that be mad at me about my baby hair, y'all really ain't gonna like me today. Let's pull out them edges, honey. Pull out all of them edges, because we about to get edged up. And what we gonna do is take our little bitty flat irons, and this is a little bit of a struggle for me because, like I said, I feel like my edges done fell out, child. But we just gonna curl them. And I'm gonna curl them going upwards. I saw somebody curling them going up. It wasn't on. Anyway, I saw somebody curl the edges going up. And I was like, that makes sense because I don't know. It just, when I watched a video of them curling them going up, it just fell into place. And I always seem to burn my forehead while I'm doing this. So curling them up is definitely, I feel like, the move. I'm just gonna spray my brush with this hairspray. We're gonna try a little something. To give that little curl effect, I just take like more little pieces out and curl these things. Okay, little swoop-de-doops, curly edges. We just gonna polish up this ponytail. Yeah, so this is the natural body wave. One bundle, as you can see. Like, this is so full, and I still got actually a few pieces left. Oh my god, these clip-ins are really good. And they are super sturdy. Like, this style is not going nowhere. And all I had to do was put my hair into a ponytail. But I'm gonna throw in some curls for the girls just to get everything, you know, even. Y'all, I have had such a bad week. Oh, such a bad week. Y'all see in, you know, upcoming vlogs and whatnot, but doing your hair is just such a like pick me up. I'm about to go to the gym. This is also a good gym hairstyle. Yeah, I love these clip-ins. And like I said, I just needed to pick myself up this week, because y'all ever have weeks or just days where you just everything one thing after the next? But we gotta keep pushing on, pick ourselves up as best as we can, and things will get better. I tell myself that while I'm getting cute. There we go. We just gonna shake it, shrink it. I love this. OMG, so cute. Honestly, I don't know, the top knot is cute too, but nah, I want the curls. My hair up here, I'm gonna spray it just so my hair can make sure to blend with these clip-ins. I'm gonna just take one of these tracks, leftover tracks. I'm gonna clip it in back here, and I will just wrap it. myself with these clip-ins. This is the next day hair, y'all. I slept in these clip-ins and everything, and they hold up so good. I did, like, you know, redo my ponytail because it got a little fuzzy, but as far as like the clip-ins, they stay, girl. Like, they are not going nowhere. Clip-ins are just so nice and natural. It just gives you very much natural tease. They are very easy to do. I did this style, like the install, in about like 10 minutes. Seriously, so easy. Clip-ins are just so versatile. You can wear them in different styles. If you don't want to leave any of your hair out, you don't have to. You could just put your hair in a ponytail and bam. I'm so impressed with CurlsQueen, because I gotta reiterate that this is one bundle of clip-ins. One bundle with a little bit left over. And this is how full it is. Like, I am super impressed with these clip-ins. I thought I would have needed 2 bundles to get like a super full look, but no, like one bundle, it does the job. Like, you could use 2 if you wanted it to be fuller than this, but this right here is like perfect for me because I'm already like petite, so I don't need like a whole bunch of hair on my head. But so yeah, one bundle is like super perfect for me. Like, I am just in love with this hairstyle. I'm in love with these clip-ins. I will definitely be doing some more styles with these clip-ins, especially on like bad hair days. You just don't know what to do. All you gotta do is pop in, pop out. Let's see. So shout out once again to CurlsQueen for giving the girls some good quality clip-ins. I am so here for it. Y'all make sure to click those links down below if you're interested in getting your hands on some clip-ins. CurlsQueen definitely gets a thumbs up from me, and I highly recommend them. So y'all make sure to go shop or whatever. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, girl, come on, join the crew. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. We're trying to get that Instagram popping. Thank y'all again for watching. I appreciate all y'all love and support, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.